Hello everyone, and today we're going to learn Excel. There are 32 basic formulas in Excel. Some of them, like there are various categories of them, which I'm going to list some of them down here. Some are related to mathematics, some are related to date and time, some related to statistics, and some are related to text operations. So when you open Excel, there will be a screen like this. This is the workbook name, sheet 1, which you can rename by double clicking, and all the formulas come under the formula bar, where you can see financial, logical, text, date and time, lookup and reference, math and trigonometry, and many other. So how do we use all of this? Well, let me show you. Sum, as you all might have known, is to calculate the sum of two numbers, such as suppose if I give a number, suppose like 45, and I give another number 72. So here we do equals to, because every formula, remember, starts with an equals to sign. Then we type sum, and then it's written here number one and number two, so you need to enter. So I'm gonna mention this, or you can just type the number, but better just to mention the cell, and then you do a comma and write the second number, and then bracket close. As you can see, it's already given the correct sum of both of these numbers. So now average, how to find the average of two numbers? I'll tell you. So first equals to, and then average, capital all, double click, and then click on this, comma, this. Okay, then bracket. As you can see, that average is displayed over here. So maximum and minimum means maximum and minimum, as all you might have known, is like what is the bigger number and what is the smaller number. So first we should do equals to max, but remember max will not apply for text. Okay, so this, comma, this, bracket close, and enter. Of course 72 is the larger than 45, so 72. So the same thing applies for minimum or min. After that, I'll do this and comma this, bracket close, 45. Product, we need to find the product, means means 45 into 72. So in that case we should do product equals to product, bracket open, and then you can type it if you want, but it will be more better to mention the cell address as I mentioned before. And after that, bracket close, and you can see the result is displayed in that cell. So now I will show you, and there are all of these, and then these. There are many others also, which I will show now. As you can see, there are date value, day, month, year, and date. Well, the date value will show the numeric value of any date, such as like it'll show this. I will show you. So as you can see, this means if you want to add, means you can change the numeric value. So here's the process, equals to date value, and then bracket open, and because it is numbers you need to type inside the text, or you can just select the SL address. Okay, this inside double quotes, bracket close, and the numeric value. Then if you want to add 95 days to that, and then you can just do this instead of doing sum. Okay, so after that, nesting of formulas. Well, what does nesting of formulas even mean? Well, nesting of formulas means that when you combine two formulas in just one sentence. I'll show you. And these are the three other operators which are going to use: F, VLOOKUP, and HLOOKUP. All of these seem complicated, but they're actually not. Well, first thing we need to know all of these three is that they all follow the bracket order or board mass rule, which is bracket of or multiplication, and then D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So after that, we should all of these are known as logical formulas. So equals means I'll show you how is this done. So this is the logical output. So this is operand 1 or operand 1 and operand 2, the number 2. So these both of the numbers are 45. So if I equals to means that, of course, this cell equals to this cell. If it is yes, it will display the answer as true. And if suppose if I like, oh no, yeah. So let me just do that. Suppose if this number is about like 37. So if I do that, you will see that this is not equal to this. So the result is being displayed as false. So less than, how do you do less than though? Less than symbol is the symbol. So when you do this symbol, is this lesser than this? It will display if it's true or false. So of course this is lesser than this, so true. And is greater than, is this greater than this? No. So it's false. Well, less than equals to means the same thing, and means you might know that this and this means I'll highlight both this and this, both are the same, whereas this and this also both are the same, and not equals to means that both of them, this and this and this, are opposite. Okay, so this is opposite to this. Got it? So now let me explain with an example. So this is what we call edge lookup. So first, all of these numbers, this is Ajay, one name, and Bharat, another name. So all of these subject wise are given over here. So the thing is that these two, as you can see, these two are A and B. So this is the A and B order that you can see over here. Means if I do 32 and 60 to 59 is A, B, and C. So find the total sum as I told earlier. Average is all of these, but this is what you call a range. A range means that, you know, when you calculate a whole row or a column of numbers, even if you calculate a whole range of numbers like this means from here, means if you can see, this is B44, this cell, till this cell, suppose, which is 49. This is the column number and row number. So 49 and E, so E49. So if I do B44 to directly E49, this is what you call a range. Okay, so I wrote this here. So this is what you call logical test. So this is what the logical test means. What do you want to find out? Means if means like if they pass, then what is the result? And if they fail, what is the result? So if this, as you can see over here, if G45 or 82.5 is greater than equals to F48, which is this highlighted in red, 50, then it will indicate pass, or else it will indicate fail. Okay, so because it is 82.5, so it will be pass, but this is 42.5, so of course it will be a fail. So he has grade A because, as you can see, is if G45 of applying this one over here, if G45 is greater than equal to 60, we have A. But if is this, if G45 is greater than equals to 33, then B, or else C, which is lower. Same thing applies for this. Okay, yeah. Same thing applies for this as well. So this will be A grade because it is greater, and this will be B grade because it is not completely less. Okay, so that's it for today. So I'll share whatever. Okay, so next time we will do all of these, and all of these come under some under maths, some under date and time. So I'll just show you some under maths and trigonometry, some under date and time, and of course some under financial. Okay, not financial, statistical. Okay, I'm pronouncing wrong. Okay, so text. The text we will do later, and see you next time in next time video. Thanks. Bye.